Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The first time would like to say thanks to Comité Borobudur International Symposium 2020 has given me the opportunity to be one of presenter at this seminar. Before I present my results, allow me to introduce my name. I am Siti Hadir, and the research team Ratni Aryatni Nugrahani, Ismiati, and Nurul Hidayatin Fitriah. The research title is Effectiveness of Quercetin from KENIKIR leaves in NANOEMULSION formula as an antioxidant using rice bran oil. There are several things behind I researched about KENIKIR. KENIKIR is one of the many herbal plants found in Indonesia. The chemical content in KENIKIR leaves include flavonoid. Quercetin is one of the chemical ingredients including the flavonoid class. The weakness of quercetin is has low water solubility, which causes limitation in the absorption process in the body. The nano-emulsion system helps quercetin easily be absorbed in the body with use the oil paste and this use rice bran oil. Research purpose: extraction quercetin from KENIKIR leaf powder by several extraction methods such as maceration, percolation, separatation, and reflux, and characterizing it. To know the effect of adding KENIKIR leaf powder as an active substance in a nanoemulsion system. To know characteristic nanoemulsion such as organoleptic, pH, emulsion type, and particle size. Determination of quercetin content absorbed in the nanoemulsion system and the antioxidant content in nanoemulsion. What is an antioxidant? Antioxidants are defined as the lying compound. This compound can reduce negative influence of free radical. Radical free is very molecular reactive. In the table, we can see antioxidant activity level, very reactive, active, moderate, and weak. And the value in this table is presented with IC 50. Procedure: we need material and equipment for the research. The material consists of fresh KENIKIR leaf, methanol, and the equipment like the oven, desiccator, blender, vacuum rotary evaporator, and the other equipment laboratory. And for the measurement, we use the spectral photometer and analyze particle size. Research overview for stage. We can see the first initial analysis. We must making the KENIKIR leaf powder, and then we measurement water content, and then we do the extraction and quantification of quercetin active compound. We make nanoemulsion, and then we analyze the product. This flowchart of quercetin extraction from KENIKIR leaf. This several methods like maceration, percolation, reflux. We use the ratio 1:7. And then different ratio to get this different, we know the high quercetin from the extract. And then with filtration, we get a filtrate and sediment. Filtrate, we concentrate in rotary evaporator and we get concentrate extract. Concentrate extract, we do the analysis, qualitative and quantitative analysis. This result from extract. Preparation of nano-emulsion formula, we can see its composition, KENIKIR, twin, and other. This is the function and the formula. This is a flowchart, oil pass, and the water pass flowchart. Oil pass and water pass flowchart we mix, and then we get a nano-emulsion formula. Determination of level of quercetin compound absorbed in the nano-emulsion system. We use the methanol 10 ml and nano-emulsion formula 1 gram. We mix, and then we centrifuge about 45 minutes. We get sediment and supernatant. Supernatant we analyze with spectrophotometer UV-Vis. And antioxidant activity, we do the DPPH method. We use two spectrophotometer in wavelength of 570 nanometer. Result and discussion. The first, we can get water content analysis. In this table, we can see the water content 4.83. It still meet the requirement of standard. The concentration of quercetin. We can see extraction method, reflex, circulate, percolation, maceration. Circulate, the result, the percent yield is high, and the concentration in ppm we can see 14.26, and this is the picture about analysis qualitative testing result. Production and testing of nano-emulsion formula. This picture about nano-emulsion formula. We make two formula with the same formula. For the testing, the first organoleptic. For the 10 respondent, we get the result about color, odor, homogeneity from week now until 6 week of observation. There is no change in the color, texture, and texture of the resulting formulation. This means that the resulting formula is stable. About pH measurement, we get 6.3. Still meet the standard of the preparation. About emulsion type identification, this type is oil in the water. Because after adding water, the emulsion and water will mix well. How about particle size? We get result size is known to be 176.8 nanometer. And percent entrancement efficiency, we get 90.99. Is good because the active compound can be maximally absorbed or trapped in the nano-emulsion system. And how about antioxidant activity? With the ppH method, we get the value 106.805. This value is included in the category of moderate antioxidant active. Conclusion. The Socrates extraction method produces the high concentration of quercetin extract from KENIKIR leaf powder at 14.26 ppm. The nano-emulsion formula contains 20% extract of KENIKIR leaf powder and RBO oil paste fulfill the requirement as a good nano-emulsion system. The formulation generated in its study can be categorized into nano-emulsion. because the particle size was measured at 176.8 nanometer. And the quercetin extract is in the nanoemulsion formula with RPO as the oil paste is sufficient potential as a source of antioxidant compound due to the ability of antioxidant activity. There is my presentation, and thank you for attention.